way at the North Pole. Are you guys excited to be here tonight?
It's way better, Jackie. I like that.
I know, Rudolph is definitely awake now. Okay, so we are so excited to have you guys out here tonight for Tempe Marketplace's annual tree lighting ceremony. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have so much fun tonight. We've got a lot of things that we want to give away tonight. We've got some gift cards from all over the mall. So if you guys want to play some games, win some prizes, and of course we have some amazing performances for you guys tonight. We're going to have figure skaters out here skating on the ice. And don't worry, if you're too far in the back and can't see the figure skaters, it's going to be on the screen. You're not going to miss a thing. And we've got the Nutcracker here tonight as well. I'm super excited for that one. I got to see some really cool stuff last year, and you guys are totally going to dig it. Now, to get started, Jade, I feel
Happy New Year!
Oh no, this is it!
Hey!